Hello, my name is David Santiago Rodriguez Romero, and this is my demonstration video for Project 1 of VBA.
Okay, this is my Project 1 worksheet. I work with the SCARA robot arm position calculator. So first I add this bottom in order to insert an instructions box here. This box will disappear as soon as the user clicks here on reset. It's for the user to read like step by step what he or she has to do. By default, as you press reset, these two values are gonna be added. However, the idea is that the user can change this if he wants. What it has to insert mandatorily is the two coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. So let's say, for example, 7 and 9 here. Look that the angles were already calculated with the two functions that I will show you on my program. Once the user has all the data, now this bottom save result will start adding information to the next available row. So I'm gonna change the values now. Look that the angles already changed. I'm gonna change save results again. The last row added will always be highlighted. Now this worksheet works with this program. So, well, first, these are my global variables, index row, position, length, and the coordinates. This is my first function for angle 1. This is the formula if you want to check it. It happens the same here, angle 2 function. Both functions use the same data here, but were calculated with a different formula. This was my first macro. It's called reset. Basically, what it does is that it inserts the initial values for the joint 1 and the joint 2 lengths, and it also inserts this text in the x and y coordinate cells, and it clears all what you have saved. Also, it clears the instructions box if you added that. Besides this, finally that's the next row, index row initial value, and the I position initial value. This is my second macro, save results. So okay, I create some variables here, set the variables, and this is the important part. It grabs the information that the user inserted above and will add it to the next available row. Here's the formatting part. I add some color. I added a horizontal alignment to center the text, and I added borders to the table. And notice that I add an if function here, so that if I use the save results macro for the first time, the row that had all my titles won't change to the color that corresponds to the data. And finally, I add 1 to the index row value and to the position value. The I position variable is for me to be able to add this column here, 1 and 2. This is my last macro. It's called help, and basically what it does is that it inserts the instructions box. So here's the format of the instruction box. The text is down here. I used wrap text in order for not to appear in one single row but as a paragraph, and that's basically it. I hope you like it.